Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. If you're new here, this is the channel where we break down the latest trends, stock analysis, and news from the world of finance and investing. Today, we've got a super interesting one for you. We're going to dive into AppLovin's Corporation, ticker symbol APP. If you're into tech stocks, mobile advertising, or app development, this is a company you'll definitely want to pay attention to. AppLovin's has been making some serious waves in the mobile app ecosystem with its mix of advertising technology and app development tools. But with the market constantly shifting and competition growing, can it keep the momentum going? That's exactly what we're going to explore today, so stick around. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to subscribe to Stocks Telegraph, hit that like button, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts on AppLovin's. We love hearing from you. And if you know anyone who'd find this video useful, go ahead and share it with them. All right, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about where AppLovin's stands financially today. Right now, AppLovin's is trading at $291.09 per share. And if you've been following the stock, you'll know it's been on an absolute tear. Year to date, APP has surged by an incredible 630%, and over the past year, it's up by nearly 620%. That's a performance that's hard to ignore. Looking at the short term, APP is up more than 103% in just the past month. And if you check its 52-week high, the stock is only about 3.8% away from hitting those levels again. Solid for anyone holding shares or looking to get in. But it's not just about price, it's about the numbers behind the stock. AppLovin's has impressive profitability metrics. The company boasts a gross margin of 72.3% and a profit margin of 26.8%. That tells us they're making money efficiently. Plus, their return on investment is sitting at 26.1%, which signals that investors are seeing solid returns. One of the most exciting figures is the earnings per share growth. This year, AppLovin's posted a 307.8% increase in EPS, and next year, analysts are forecasting another 41% jump. That's serious momentum for this stock. Add to that, the company has seen sales growth of 41% year over year and EPS growth of a jaw-dropping 990%. Clearly, demand for their services is strong. Now let's dig into AppLovin's third quarter 2024 earnings, because these numbers are really impressive. AppLovin's posted $1.2 billion in revenue, marking a 39% growth year over year. But the real jaw-dropper is their net income, a massive 300% increase year over year, landing at $434 million. That gives them a net margin of 36%. Talk about profitability. Adjusted EBITDA, another key measure of performance, rose by 72% to hit $722 million with a margin of 60%. This shows they're scaling efficiently while keeping costs in check. And the cash flow? It's looking strong too. AppLovin's generated $551 million in net cash from operating activities, which is up 177% from last year. Even more impressive, their free cash flow surged by 182%, reaching $545 million. With that level of cash coming in, AppLovin's has a solid foundation for reinvestment, acquisitions, or returning value to shareholders. Speaking of which, they've been buying back shares. In third quarter, the company repurchased 5 million shares for $437 million. And to show even more confidence, the board authorized a $2 billion share repurchase program, bringing the total repurchase authorization to $2.3 billion. That's a huge commitment to boosting shareholder value. Let's talk about the software platform. This is where AppLovin's is really starting to shine. In third quarter, revenue from their platform grew 66% year over year to $835 million. And the adjusted EBITDA for this segment soared by 79%, hitting $653 million with an incredible 78% EBITDA margin. This shows that as AppLovin's scales, their software platform is becoming even more profitable. Looking ahead, AppLovin's is forecasting strong results for fourth quarter 2024. They expect revenue to be in the range of $1.24 to $1.26 billion, with adjusted EBITDA between $740 million and $760 million. This would keep their margin in the 60% range, right in line with their impressive performance so far. Beyond the financials, AppLovin is making major strides in its technology. Their Axon models, self-learning systems that optimize ad spending, are getting more advanced. The better these models get, the more efficient AppLovin can make ad campaigns, which is a huge win for advertisers and brands looking to scale. The company is also thinking long-term with a strategy focused on organic growth, share repurchases, and keeping a solid capital foundation. They're investing in talent and technology, managing their share capital carefully, and ensuring they maintain the financial flexibility to take advantage of future opportunities. And don't forget, AppLovin's Consumer Mobile Trends 2024 report revealed some interesting insights. In-app ads are becoming more effective, with fintech apps acquired through in-app advertising, seeing users who engage significantly more often, leading to higher revenue and more investment in ads. With mobile transactions expected to account for nearly half of all online purchases by 2024, AppLovin is positioning itself perfectly in a booming market. The momentum around AppLovin is catching the eye of analysts too. Loop Capital raised its price target from $181 to $385 and maintained a buy rating. And BTIG also increased their target, pushing it up to $291 from $202 with a buy rating as well. Both firms see the company benefiting from the winner-takes-most dynamic in the gaming sector, plus the huge growth potential in commerce. So what's the takeaway here? AppLovin Corporation is not only delivering strong results today, but it's also set up for continued success. With impressive earnings, robust cash flow, cutting-edge technology, and an eye on long-term growth, AppLovin is definitely one to watch. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay on top of more stock analysis and market trends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And we want to hear from you. What do you think about AppLovin's performance and future prospects? Is it on your radar? Drop a comment below and let's talk. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.